quite often in meditation things, it's like, don't go near the intellect, bad. With holographic breathing, not so. We work through the brain, and the brain is kind of the anatomy of the intellect. But as the energies move through it, you become an observer of it rather than being it. So you're no longer the intellect, you're no longer the mind, you're more in a viewing dimension. But at some point or another, be it this lifetime or next, for your evolution, you have to become aware of the intellect. It's not like you just become aware of the heart and that's it. If you think of it, it is part of you. And to not be aware of it is denying part of you, denying part of the whole. And to get a proper and powerful connection to the beyond, it's going to come through the brain one way or another. The brain is going to be included in that connection. So it's not something to avoid, it's not something to run from.